Hello everyone, today we have a 2021 Ram Laramie 4x4, the 5.7 liter V8. It's a Hemi. Great little engine, and it is running smooth as can be. So I'm gonna go ahead and close this up and take it for a tour. And if any of the LEDs on this vehicle appear to flicker, they don't flicker to the human eye. That's the refresh rate of the camera that does that. See, this one has tow hooks and fog lights up front, alloy wheels, fixed running boards. It has a metallic flake in the paint. You can see it does have the out-swinging tailgate, so you can get a lot closer. Bedliner power sliding back window, and you see that it is equipped with the Ram air suspension with variable ride height. So you can close that up and then just drop it like a regular tailgate also. You can also do that with a remote. And it does have a remote start as well. Dual exhaust tow package. You can see that it is a Sport Edition. So it does have the black and gray leather seats. There's a 115 volt power outlet right there, along with all the USB outlets you could ever want back here. And then you do have your boxes in the floor right here underneath the HD floor mat there. Okay, you see it does have two driver presets. Here's your VIN right here, and I will upload some still photos of that as well. Laramie branded seats. Okay. And as we hop inside, you're going to see that it only has 7,578 miles on this vehicle. And then here's your key fob right here. You see that it does have that tailgate option, the variable ride height option, and the remote start. As you come over here, your stereo controls will be on the opposite side of the steering wheel that you can operate with your fingertips. Here's your push to talk, your trip computer toggles, your cruise control, push button start. And as you look down here, you got your 2- and 4-wheel drive right here, and your axle locking. Once again, another power bank, USBs, and auxiliary input right there. And phone charging station, another 115 volt outlet down there. Super handy. Cup holders and additional stowage down in there. Very versatile space, and one of the best infotainment centers in the industry, in my opinion. So that sounds good. You see that it is equipped with navigation, very large screen, very easy to read. And then here you've got your AM FM. We'll go ahead and go to here, the AM FM, Sirius XM, and then you have your auxiliary and USB and Bluetooth, as you see there. Then your climate controls, you'll see that it does have heated and cooled front seats, heated steering wheel, and you can jump to the cameras right here. And your backup camera, and that is in HD, and then it also has guides. And then your climate controls, and then your apps. And you're also going to have your app manager here, Wi-Fi hotspot if you were connected. And then you got your SOS and other services that you can activate, and your assist. And then your Bluetooth. As I mentioned, here's your backup camera. I'll go ahead and close that. And as you come over here, you're going to see that you have two glove compartments. One is lockable. The other one, let's see, as we come up here, you've got your map reading lights and your glasses holder. And that about wraps it up for this Laramie on the interior. Super clean. This vehicle does have a branded title. There's an impact here in the front. The vehicle veered off the road and hit a tree. The damage was limited to the front of the vehicle. The airbags deployed, but there was no structural damage, so we got it all fixed up. It has passed the 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com. In the spirit of full disclosure, here is a copy of the original label for your vehicle, so you can see what it was equipped with straight out of the factory.